Now, one of the things that we at Oracle are focusing on is, or are, I should say, these new media channels. So, of course, we have our traditional web and our traditional call center channels. Those are not going away, but we want to augment and extend the types and the kinds of channels in which we deliver our applications. So we are focused on the mobile platform, and we're focused on two different types of applications that we are bringing to market. One is the ability to deliver customer experiences on the mobile platform. We have a short video of one of our customers that's actually done some interesting work in this area. And then the other one is not a consumer-facing application, but more an employee-facing application where employees of our customers can leverage handheld devices, whether they're tablet PCs or other mobile platforms, in order to have information at their fingertips about their customers. So an example of this might be Lane Crawford, a high-end retailer. It could be an airline in first and business class sections, or it could be a hotel that wants to be able to have personal information on handheld devices about their customers so they can engage with them more effectively. Okay, so I think one of the customers, and the last customer we're going to talk about, is a European railway company called Swedish Rail. And Swedish Rail, I think, has done some interesting things with the Siebel marketing and loyalty product. They, of course, have implemented the software. They've been successful with their loyalty program and fostered and driving loyalty within their customer base. But they've also taken their investment in Siebel CRM, specifically marketing and loyalty, and they've now extended this to the mobile platform. So what I thought we would do is just watch a short video of the prototype of the application that they are about to launch into the marketplace, which leverages these capabilities. got a very small taste of how you can leverage an enterprise application and extend it to the mobile channel and integrate it with other key systems. What was going on there is that Swedish Rail wanted to enable their customers to make a reservation for a train ticket, purchase a ticket online, and also receive personalized promotions and offers based on single marketing and loyalty on their mobile phones. So Swedish Rail, again, for those of you that will be attending Oracle Overworld this year, is also going to unveil this application at our conference in October. So last theme that we're going to talk about, which I think is a nice lead-in to some of the things that we saw with Swedish Rail, was this whole concept of communities, and specifically loyal communities and public communities that are currently existing on the web. So as we know, customers are having conversations, whether they're on Facebook, whether they're on LinkedIn, or whether they're owning private communities about new products and services. So it's important, more than ever before, that you as an organization have the ability to listen to those conversations, understand what's happening within those communities, and then to be able to facilitate the right level of conversation that's happening. They're going to happen, they're happening with or without you. So our advice and what we talk to customers about is at least start to listen and be a part of those conversations. And so one of the products that we're launching into the marketplace that helps to achieve this is a product called Listening Post. And essentially, what it enables you to do, it's a listening post, is it enables you to capture conversations that are happening about your products and services on the web, in public and private communities. And once you are able to capture the conversations, or the essence of the conversation, hopefully you'll be able to, again, leverage that information so that you can deliver a more targeted and relevant customer dialogue or customer experience with your customer base. And eventually to drive more customer loyalty into your customer base. The other area where we see Listening Post being able to achieve good results is also what we call sentiment analysis. The ability to understand what the reputation is of your products and services on the web. Because again, these conversations are happening in communities. And so you want to be able to measure the sentiment of your brand, of your product, of your services in these conversations. Another very cutting-edge concept that is hitting the United States and also in other parts of the world. And here's a quick snapshot of what Listening Post does. It essentially delivers this analytical dashboard that monitors the conversations that are happening across these communities, and then the little kind of smiley faces are the sentiment analysis. It's our way of really depicting how customers are reacting to your brand, your service, to your company overall. How are they rating it? What are the comments that they're writing about you in communities and on forums and on the web?